AI is working everywhere. AI is everywhere. Everyone is using in organization, students, in colleges, everywhere. So how is AI changing and how businesses work in your field?
So, AI is transforming the way business operate, including my field of training, counseling, consultation. AI provide powerful insight that earlier took days and even weeks to analyze. So, it's first of all, it's very useful tool and time saving. It support content generation, market analysis. So now AI moves incredibly fast. It has changed the client expectation. Now clients want a quick solution, personalized analysis, a measurable outcome. So AI helps us to deliver with greater precision. It significantly improves productivity and open opportunity to scale service that were earlier limited by human bandwidth. However, AI alone cannot run a business. It can provide you data, predict the outcome and trends, but it cannot understand human emotions, workplace dynamics, unspoken fear, the insecurity, ambitions, or the psychology behind the decision making employees. So these all aspects still and always belong to humans only. AI gives you what and why, but ultimately, as a human, you need to understand and decide how. So, in my field, AI is not replacing professional; it amplifying them. It helps us work smarter, deliver better value, and make decisions with clarity. But the unique differentiate remains human behavior only. This is human capacity, which is understanding behavior, empathy, intuition, and ability to read people. Skill no machine can replace.
Yes, like it doesn't replace human. It's only help them to work smarter and to remove the every task work, like error free, like without any error to complete every task. And like in just like faster way, we can say like AI is working like an organization and helping like employees, but it doesn't replace emotions, human, and everything you can say. Yes. AI can solve big problems. As you say, like AI is helping to work smarter in your organization. How can AI solve big problems?
AI is helping solve some of the biggest challenge in industry, especially in education, training, in consultation, counseling, in small businesses. Earlier, what we were doing is we are learning from different sources. That was limited to a city or state or country. Right now, AI has opened the global window for you. So, yeah, you can access the ideas, framework, references globally, world-class institutions, research in just a seconds, in just a minutes. So, this alone has accelerated growth faster than anything we have seen before. So AI has also made personalized learning extremely easy. If I'm MBA, if you are PhD, that is a customized scenario is there. So I can now design training program based on generation, seniority, CXO level, MD level, founder level. So individual learning style now customized. So it's helped me to create assessment modules, behavior test, track learner process. It's with greater accuracy. So presentation are now no longer to the basic PowerPoint slides. Now we can create interactive slides within a minutes. So one of the most existing advancement in AI that what I like most is avatars. I can now be present in multiple locations without physically traveling, multiple sessions, reach a wider audience, and analysis participation or responses in real time. So this explains my impact without compromising quality. So AI has also transformed the consulting side also. I can prepare detailed client report, customized report, deep psychological analysis effortlessly. and diseases are far more accurate than insightful than compared to traditional manual methods. So overall, AI doesn't replace what I do; it amplifies me. It gives me speed, depth, global reach, and personalized precision. So while my human expertise brings the emotional intelligence and the real world understanding, the AI cannot replicate.
Yes, exactly. AI can't replace like what is working, yeah, what is you are doing right now in your industry, in your field. It can only enhance it and it can only move forward ahead in a better way, you can say, like how they're solving problems in your industry, like how it's helping tools are there in AI you can take a help on. So yes, exactly.